In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine coolant temperature sensor on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located on the passenger side, bottom of the radiator. Let's get started. Using a 13mm wrench, we're going to open up the petcock for the radiator. Once the coolant's done draining, close down the petcock, snug it up, using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the screw for the splash shield. Pull it down out of the way. You can use a strap or a bungee cord to hook onto it and hook it to the wheel or somewhere on the car to keep it out of your way. Remove the connector, push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pull off the clamp. Before removing the sensor, be sure you have a bucket under you. Some fluid may come out. Remove the engine coolant temp sensor. Install the sensor. Install the clip. Give the sensor a pull. Be sure it's getting held in. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the screw for the splash guard. Get it nice and snug. Fill the cooling system until you hit the max line at the reservoir. Start and run the car with the cap off. Do this for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all of the air bubbles stop coming out. Once the system is fully bled, double check that you have the coolant at the max line on the reservoir and reinstall the coolant cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.